Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the Binance referral ID. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button at the top. Simply select it. After that, here we can find the option or referral right here. Now go ahead and open it. Now, here you can find the referral code right here. And this is the referral ID that you can send to your friends and you can refer to anyone that you want. Now to add it, tap onto the clipboard option right here. Now you can see it has been copied and you can also send the referral link to the person. And to send it, you can do the same process as you did for the referral code. And that's it. This is how you can get the Binance referral ID on the Binance app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.